Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. There has been an update to the case summary page in Idaho versus Koberger. This is the document that is maintained by the clerk of court, and it has been since the beginning of this case back on December 29th, 2022, to reflect all matters that have occurred in the case since that time. Notices of hearings, motions that were filed, court orders that were rendered, and the like. If you go to the very last page of the case summary page, page number 95, you will see a few additions today, which is May 30th, 2025. I want to call to your attention two items. One is dated May 29th, 2025. There is a notation, notice of hearing. Next to it is a PDF icon. This reflects the fact that this is a public document that will eventually appear on the public docket. Unfortunately, as of today, it has not yet been published on the public docket, and there is no further details on the case summary page as to what this notice of hearing may be. We're going to take an educated guess, provide our opinion that it may be for what is now reflected a few items further down, also on page 95 of the case summary page. This is hearing scheduled at 12:30 p.m. for June 18th, 2025. with the judicial officer, Judge Stephen Hippler. Prior to today and subsequent to the final pretrial conference back on May 15th, 2025, this matter was simply stated as hearing scheduled 12:30 p.m. before Judge Hippler. This appeared to correlate with the date that had been negotiated at the final pretrial conference in open court between Judge Hippler and the parties as being the hearing for the defense's offers of proof of alternate perpetrators to Mr. Koberger. This hearing scheduled on page 95 has now been changed. It states, hearing scheduled 12:30 p.m., judicial officer, Judge Hippler, and then on a second line, motion to continue, not sealed. So this appears to be the date when the defense's motion to continue the trial date, which is currently scheduled to occur on August 11th, 2025, has been now set for oral argument. There is a notation next to motion to continue that says not sealed, reflecting the fact that this is a public matter, a public and open hearing on the motion to continue. However, there is also a second notation next to motion to continue not sealed. There is now a notation, motion regarding alternate perpetrators sealed. So it appears now, not surprisingly, as we had thought, that the matter regarding the motion relative to alternate perpetrators to Mr. Koberger, to which he has filed offers of proof, evidence, and supporting information with attachments, as he did on May 23rd, 2025, will be a sealed and closed hearing. So again, there are now two hearings scheduled, one open, one closed. The motion to continue, not sealed, and the motion regarding alternate perpetrators, sealed. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.